Yes, this is 2007 Honda Civic 1.8 liter. So this car had problem. It's an oil leak, in the massive oil leak in the behind the engine. So I'll show you what's the oil leak. I already off the wiper cover arms underneath firewall side. So there was a massive leak in the it's a VTEC sensor area, like this area. I show you in the later, and I show you in the underneath. Okay guys, we start the car. We can see the check engine light is on. So we need to first scan the car. What is the code? Turn off the engine. The ignition on. Okay guys, here the scan the car. Then we found this code P2646. So this is the problem. They have a massive oil leaks because actuator is not enough oil for to get the working. So that's why the check engine light is on. See, under the floor is a massive oil leaks, and you can see the underneath the car. This oil is everywhere. Okay guys, I'm going to start the car. You can see the VTEC sensor side. You can see the oil leak. So I'm going to start it. Let's start running. You can see the oil leaks very quickly coming. So you can see it's very fast, very quick leak. So we need to off this sensor. They're coming in the 3 bolts in the back. So we need to off this VTEC sensor connector. Okay guys, we off the oil pressure switch connector. Guys, I put my mirror on it. You can see the number 210 millivolts, and the one brackets going that one 10 millivolt, and the underneath the oil switch, little bit below the oil switch, they have another 10 millivolt, 10 millivolt. We have to off to get the VTEC sensor. One, two, three. One is very underneath. Barely can see it. So I'm using my 10 mil socket to take it out for the sensor. Okay guys, we take off the 3 long 10 mil bolt, and the one for the one bracket is going to one bracket. Okay, I'm going to take it out for the VVTI valve. Okay, here's the VTEC sensor. This gasket is going leaking. I can show you this side. Okay, 3 bolts and the one bracket. It's getting hard. See, it's broken. It's not in the rubber. It's like taking out the pieces. Okay, you can see the one coming small net for the stopping where the debris is going to the inside of the valve. Okay, guys, see the behind the valve. You can see. I have to clean off that one. Okay guys, you can see the after cleaning for the VTEC sensor. Okay guys, we have another o-ring in here. We need to off this 10 mil. Okay, you can see the one o-ring in here. You get one o-ring in here. I can take it out. Okay. Okay guys, this is the new o-ring and the new gasket. Okay, and the new gasket in here. And the o-ring. Okay guys, we put the new o-ring back in and we're going to put it back. Okay, I got the new o-ring. Okay guys, I'm going to put it back to the VTEC sensor. Careful in the o-ring, it could be damaged when you put it. Okay guys, I'm already installed the VTEC sensor, the 3-bolt, the tighten all things. So I'm going to start the car, then have a look. Any oil leaks to come out. Okay guys, finally done everything. We're going to start the car. You can see any oil leak. So no more oil leak. So then we check the check engine light. The check engine light's gone already. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one.